Picture this: crunchy, spotless cucumbers harvested every other day, rain or shine. That's the power of polyhouse farming. Controlled climate, consistent profits, fewer surprises. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set it up, step by step, and why it pays. Want 2 or 3x yield, cleaner fruit, better prices? Let's build your cucumber machine. Step 1. Site and structure. Pick a sunny, well-drained spot with easy water and power. UV-stabilized polyhouse, 200-400 microns side vents, insect-proof netting. Face the ridge east-west for even light. Step 2. Beds and media raised beds, 20-30 centimeters for drainage. Mix well-rotted compost, cocopeat, topsoil. Target pH 6 to 6.8. Drip lines every row, fertigation-ready. Step 3. Varieties and Planting. Choose parthenocarpic hybrids made for greenhouses. No pollinators needed. 45-60 centimeter between plants, 1.2-1.5 mm between rows. Transplant healthy seedlings at 3-4 true leaves. Step 4. Climate and water day. 22-28 degrees. Night 18 to 28 C. Vent in heat, close in wind. Keep humidity 60 to 75% to reduce disease. Drip 1.5 liters per plant daily, more as canopy grows. Step 5. Nutrition. Start light, balanced NPK weekly via fertigation, plus calcium and magnesium to prevent tip burn. Add potassium as flowering ramps up. Step 6. Training and pruning string trellis vertically. Remove side shoots up to the 5th node. Allow limited laterals. Keep 1 clean leader. Clip as it grows. Step 7. Protection. Sticky traps for whiteflies and thrips. Scout twice a week. Use biocontrols first. Chemicals only as labeled, and rotate modes of action. Step 8. Harvest pick at market size. Firm, glossy, uniform. Harvest every 2-3 days to keep plants pumping. Hydro-cool lightly and pack in ventilated crates. Benefits: year-round production, premium grades, 30-50% water savings with drip, lower pesticide use, and fewer rejects. Faster payback with staggered planting. If you want the full checklist and fertigation calendar, drop cucumber in the comments. Grow smart, sell premium, and let the polyhouse do the heavy lifting.